Behold! Upgrades! So, we have a fancy box here. Look at what I got. LED panel light. This should be rather nice. Let's see how well this lights up your video. Ooh. Ah. How do I open it? How do I make it work? Work! Maybe? Doesn't that feel right? Oh, there's a screw there. Ha! If you flip it over, you find the screw. Seriously? There it goes. Woo! Wow. That was not what I wanted to do.
But it's almost identical.
Those LED panel lights are 40 watt rated at 5000K for the color, and they put out 4800 lumens. I forget. I'll have to check into that. But the only way we're going to be able to compare this, because the camera automatically adjusts for lighting, is right now I have the lighting without those lights. I'm going to shut all the lights off, let the camera focus or adjust in the dark, and then we are going to flip the lights on and see how big of a whitewash the camera gets and how long it takes it to return. And we'll do it with the new lights and without the new lights, and we'll see what the difference is. Alright, so the camera is adjusted. We are going to flip the lights on all at the same time right now. Okay, now I am going to plug the other lights in, and then we will flip them on again. Alright, the camera is adjusted. We are going for round 2. Alright, there we have it. We have the camera on with everything lit up. It is bright in here. I am liking it a lot. Hopefully it gives you guys a little bit better image, because the camera was suffering for light before. I'm hoping to add a little bit more lights for the camera to be able to pick up the light a little bit better and get a little more detail in my videos, because I notice whenever I zoom in on anything via blowing it up, it just doesn't pick up detail very well. I understand it's only 1080p, but regardless, it should still pick up better detail than it does. I notice when I have light on things, it does pick up detail. If this video was helpful for you, I will put these lights in the description below. And if you like these lights for your shop, they're actually pretty affordable, is reasonably priced. Under 200 bucks for the 4 lights, and they are really, really bright. So, very nice lights. Again, I will link them. Like, share, subscribe. As always, I hope to see you on another video.